Welcome to a magical world where chemistry is the language of transformation, where every mix and match weaves a unique story. Picture yourself diving into a universe where the mundane becomes magical through reactions that dazzle and colors that shift. You're not just learning, you're on an adventure as the lead explorer. Chemistry isn't merely a subject, it's a captivating journey into the essence of everything around us. Witness the marvels of chemical reactions, nature's own sleight of hand, as they morph one element into another, unveiling the vibrant ballet of matter right before your eyes. Gear up, young explorers, for an exhilarating voyage into chemistry's heart. Ready to be awed by the profound simplicity and unexpected outcomes of our chemical explorations? Continuing our vibrant expedition into chemistry's wonders, we stumble upon the intriguing encounters of acids and bases. Picture possessing a wand with the power to shift colors. This is the essence of our next discovery. Our forthcoming experiment showcases chemistry's allure through a spectacular color transformation, achievable with simple household ingredients, transforming your space into a personal laboratory of wonders. Furthermore, we delve into the role of the scientist by crafting an indicator from cabbage juice. This interactive experiment isn't just amusing, it's a gateway to understanding acid-base reactions and a chance to dazzle at your next gathering. These endeavors not only illuminate the basic principles of chemistry, but also reveal its pervasive influence in our lives. Stay with us as we delve deeper into the molecular symphony that shapes our world. What lies ahead is an exploration of chemistry's role in our surroundings, an adventure too captivating to miss. As our journey reaches a crescendo, we reflect on the symphony of colorful reactions unfolded before us. Every effervescent experiment, from the captivating dance of acids and bases to the enchanting shifts in hue, is a testament to chemistry's boundless potential. Remember, each step we took today is foundational in the path towards discovering the realm of chemistry, a realm safeguarded by the imperative of safety, enabling boundless exploration. But the beauty of chemistry doesn't halt at the lab's threshold. It beckons us to unravel the world's enigmas through its lens. As we draw this segment to a close, let us nurture the spark of curiosity and venture beyond, questioning the essence of the everyday. Every renowned scientist commenced their quest just as we have, armed with questions and a thirst for knowledge. Although today's narrative concludes, your chemical voyage is far from over. Infinite mysteries await, teeming with reactions to decode and challenges to conquer. So keep your protective gear close and let curiosity be your guide on this unending quest. For you, young chemist, are at the very beginning of an epic saga, with the laboratory of the world open for your discovery.